You are over 40, 50 in menopause and you're looking for a way to elaborate stress, release tension at the end of the day, and why not? And maybe have some anti-age effect with an easy and relaxing yoga. This video is for you. We will do a 10-minute sequence for women over 40 that you can do at the end of the day, and it will help you to release tension, sleep better, and get rid of some water retention that may actually make you look older. We will use some tools like yoga strap, or you can use this kind of resistance band and 2 yoga blocks. My name is Anna and I'm a menopausal coach and a yoga teacher. We will start with downward dog using our blocks. Put your palms on the blocks this way, middle finger facing forward. And we will start with a very mild and very gentle version of this posture. Try to push the floor, bend your arms and then push the floor. Exhale. Bend your knees. Find a comfortable position where you can actually feel your chest opening, and to feel it better, we'll do some sweet movements as if I wanted to touch the floor with my head. But my head is relaxed and I'm actually feeling my neck be in the same line with my spine. Exhale, push the floor. Keep your palms always on your blocks. Don't let your palm going up. Push the block and exhale. When you inhale, relax your belly, and exhaling, pull it inwards slightly. From here, we put our knees on the floor and we will use our blocks, move them forward to make this kind of a back bend. I'm looking forward now because I want to be sure that my hips are not going back. It's not this the position I want to find, but the position where I can actually open my chest, inhale and exhaling. I go down as if I wanted to put my chest on the floor right here. Inhale, looking forward, exhale. Inhale. Relax your neck now, so look down, but the movement stays the same. I'm opening my shoulders and then I come back to my downward dog. I bend my right knee, trying to touch the floor, even though I cannot do it. Maybe but that's okay. What I'm trying to do is to lean with my left heel towards the floor, and I feel my back leg extending and stretching. Go on breathing. Exhale. Inhale, move forward a bit, and exhale, open the chest, open the shoulders. This is the area where we're holding so much tension in the upper body, in the shoulders, in the chest. So here we want to get rid of it. We want to find some freedom in this area. Put your knees down. And now we will do a modification of the same movement. Using our blocks, I put my elbows on the blocks. And from here, cross my fingers, looking forward, inhale, and exhale, going down. Inhale, relax my belly, exhale, belly in, open the shoulders. Inhale and exhale. One more time. Okay, going out. And now we use our 2 blocks that will help us to make this to make this malasana variation. That is actually a squat, a natural Asian squat that may be a little bit difficult, but we will combine this movement with the forward bend. So I'm opening my toes, put my feet wider than the hips, and then I go down, opening my knees. If it's too low, you can use 3 blocks or some other support, or you can turn your block this way. That will make it a little less stable, but you can still use it because you don't have to fall on it with all your weight. It's just a support for you if you don't have flexibility at the moment. So I'm here trying to lengthen my back, open the chest. And what we're doing here, we're doing some kind of a back bend movement. Inhale, I'm using my arms. Inhale, open my chest. Exhale, relax. Inhale, bring my shoulder blades together. Exhale, relax. One more time. And now, from here, I'm passing to a forward bend using the same blocks. Exhale. Don't have to keep your legs straight here. This forward bend should be very, very comfortable. It should be kind of a relaxation posture. So if you're not actually relaxed here because you are not flexible enough, use a small cushion. I'll show you how. This cushion we put between our hips and the belly, and then I'm going down. I have this support, and here I can actually relax. So I'm staying here with my neck and my head falling down. Inhale, feeling my ribs opening and moving to the sides. And then exhale, relaxing my upper spine. Shift your weight a little bit forward on the front side of your feet and on your arms. Stay here. A couple of breaths more. And then we come back in here. If you're not flexible enough, I'll show you how you can use the same cushion for your malasana that we will do again. So I'm going down and I sit on my blocks and this cushion this way. That's it. That's our malasana, where we will go on with some other variations for the upper chest. So I'm putting my right hand here and exhaling to the left. Inhale and exhale. If it feels comfortable, extend your left arm here. Nice. And then change. Inhale and exhale here. If it feels comfortable, extend your right arm to the right. And then we come back and repeat our forward bend. Exhale. Legs bent. Using our blocks and our cushion. And stay here. 3-4 breaths here. You can also use this method. I like it very much. It actually helps you to relax the body. When you shift your weight forward to the arms, let your heels go up and then come back. And then again, shift the weight forward. Let your heels go up just a little bit and breathe. Relax your head. Feel the back of the neck long and actually relaxing. You can even feel they have a real physical sensation of the tension that is actually going away. Okay, and now we go down. Do it slowly and look down. We are not, when we're doing this kind of movements, passing from head up to an inverted position, we should always make it very slow and we should look down. And now we lying down, and now we will use our blocks and put one of them under the pelvis. When we're lying down, this last exercise will help us to relax even more our nervous system. So if you can, do it this way without using the wall. If it feels too challenging for you, if you need to put your legs on the wall to actually relax them, make it the same way using the block but at the wall. So this exercise will help us to actually calm down our nervous system, to slow down heartbeat, and to prepare your body for sleep. This kind of inverted position is an anti-age posture. And it is also very beneficial for your legs. It helps you to get rid of water retention that can be very annoying in the summer and when it's hot. You can stay here from 1 minute up to 10 minutes, but if you do it for 10 minutes, you should definitely do it at the wall because it may become a little bit challenging. And what we're doing here is we are relaxing, so you don't have to feel any discomfort. So if you want to do it for 10 minutes, you definitely should using the wall. So when we are breathing here, we are relaxing the belly, inhaling and exhaling naturally. You see me lying just on my mat without using anything under the head. But if you have a problem with the chest mobility, you can try using a small cushion under your head that will help you to relax your neck and to relax actually the upper body. We have been working during this workout on our chest mobility. That is the area where we are tending to have so much tension, so much stress around the neck, around the shoulders. So opening the chest, improving your shoulders mobility is not only improving your posture, but helps you to release stress and helps you to improve how your face is looking actually, because it draws away the water retention that we have here and in the face. And now I'm bending my legs. Just a few breaths here before we finish. Your likes and your comments help me to promote my channel and continue my work. So leave your comment, subscribe to my channel and put a like.